Hello, I am Dr. Sigar Kanti. In this video, we discuss maxima and minima of a function of two variables. The necessary and sufficient conditions are: suppose this f of x comma y is a function of two variables, then this function has maxima at some point, say a comma b. The necessary conditions are: the first derivative must be equal to 0, that is dou f by dou x equal to dou f by dou y equal to 0, that is these two are equal to 0. And sufficient conditions are: AC minus b square greater than 0 and a is less than 0 at that point. So that is here, these are the necessary conditions for a function f of x comma y to have maxima, and sufficient conditions are AC minus b square greater than 0, and together with this a must be less than 0 at the point a comma b. And what are these a, b, c? A is fx square a comma b. Fx square means this is the partial derivative of f with respect to x twice, that is dou square f by dou x square at the point a comma b. We denote this by capital A. And b is fxy, that is second derivative of f with respect to x and y, that is dou square f by dou x dou y at that point a comma b. We denote this by b. And second derivative of f with respect to y, so that is dou square f by dou y square at the point a comma b. We denote this by c. So that is here, a is dou square f by dou x square at the point a comma b. B is dou square f by dou x dou y at the point a comma b, and c is dou square f by dou y square at the point a comma b. So these are our a, b, c. So for a function f of x comma y to have maxima at the point a comma b, are necessary conditions are dou f by dou x equal to 0, dou f by dou y equal to 0. That is here, a function f of x comma y has maximum, then these two conditions must be satisfied. That is dou f by dou x equal to 0, dou f by dou y is equal to 0 must be satisfied. And then these two, that is AC minus b square must be greater than 0 and a must be less than 0 at the point a comma b. So these are for function to have a maxima. And function to have minima are necessary conditions are same. So that is dou f by dou x equal to 0, dou f by dou y equal to 0. That is a function f of x comma y to have maxima or minima. The necessary condition is dou f by dou x equal to 0 and one more condition dou f by dou y equal to 0. These are the two necessary conditions. And this is same. Okay, yes, here also AC minus b square is greater than 0. And here a must be greater than 0. Then we say that the function has minimum at that point. Okay. So that is here. And what happens if these two are not greater than 0? That is AC minus b square. So here if AC minus b square is less than 0, then f of x comma y has neither maxima nor minima. If AC minus b square is less than 0, then fxy has neither maxima nor minima. And if it is equal to 0, if AC minus b square is equal to 0, then further investigation is required. This is beyond the scope of our study. Next we define one term here, critical point. That is a point a comma b is said to be critical point if it satisfies the necessary conditions, that is dou f by dou x equal to 0 and dou f by dou y equal to 0. Then we say that it is a critical point. So that means here the function may have maxima or minima at the points at the critical points. Okay, and then we define this critical point as a saddle point. So that is a critical point a comma b is said to be saddle point if at that point f of x comma y has neither maxima nor minima. So that means AC minus B square is less than 0. So this is the case here. AC minus B square is less than 0. Then fxy has neither maxima or nor minima. So that point we call it as a saddle point. Okay. So to find the maxima or minima of a given function, the working rule is what to do. First, we have to differentiate the given function with respect to x with respect to y. That is finding dou f by dou x and finding dou f by dou y, and equating these two to 0. So we are getting two equations here. Solve these equations for x and y. So whatever the point we are getting, they are nothing but the critical points. We may get 2 points, 3 points, 1 point, 4 point, many points. Okay, depending on the equations here. And then at that point, what we need to do is next finding the points. Find the second order derivatives. That is dou square f by dou x square, dou square f by dou x dou y, dou square f by dou y square, and then substituting those points. So take one by one point here, find a, b, c, and then check this what happens. AC minus b square, if it is greater than 0, then only the function has either a maxima or a minima. Then check what is the value of a. If a is less than 0, a negative, then the function has a maxima at that point. If a is greater than 0, function has minima at that point. And here if I get it is equal to 0, AC minus B square equal to 0, then further investigation is required. If AC minus B square is less than 0, then the function has neither maxima nor minima at that point. Okay. So let us go to an example. This is the example. X cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y okay, this is the example. F of x comma y equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. Okay. So here, first I will find out dou f by dou x. This is equal to dou f by dou x is x cube derivative is 3x square, y cube derivative is 0, minus 3x derivative is minus 3, minus 12y derivative is 0, plus 20 derivative is 0. Dou f by dou x equal to 3x square minus 3, and dou f by dou y is equal to x cube derivative 0, y cube derivative is 3y square, minus 3x derivative 0, minus 12y derivative minus 12 plus 20 derivatives 0. Okay. Now here necessary conditions are dou f by dou x equal to 0 and dou f by dou y is equal to 0. So first I will take dou f by dou x equal to 0, that is 3x square minus 3 equal to 0, one equation, and 3y square minus 12 equal to 0, this is another equation. So this implies 3x square equal to 3 and 3y square is equal to 12. And this implies 3x square equal to 3 means x square equal to 1, y square equal to 12 by 3, this is 4. This implies x is equal to plus or minus 1, y equal to plus or minus 2. Okay. So therefore critical points are critical points are x equal to 1, y equal to 2, x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 1, y equal to 2, x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 2. So these are the 4 critical points. Okay, we have got these 4 critical points. So next, that is at these 4 points the function may have maxima or minima. Next we go for the sufficient conditions. For that we need the second derivative, that is here dou square f by dou x square. This is equal to fx square. This is equal to find dou square f by dou x square. We have dou f by dou x is here. Differentiating this partially with respect to x, we get this is our 6x, and dou square f by dou y square. This is equal to f y square. This is equal to differentiating this with respect to y, we get 6y. And one more thing we have to find out, dou square f by dou x dou y. This is equal to f x y. So differentiating dou f by dou x with respect to y, we get f x y. So if I differentiate this with respect to y, I am getting this is equal to 0 because there is no y term. This is equal to 0. Okay. Dou square f by dou x square is equal to fx square is 6x. So dou square f by dou y square is fy square. This is equal to 6y. Dou square f by dou x dou y is equal to 0. Now we go one by one. First one, I'll check at this point here. That is here at 1, 2. At 1, 2. So what is A? A is nothing but fx square at the point 1, 2. A is nothing but fx square. Fx square is here. So here we put x equal to 1, y equal to 2. This is equal to 6. A equal to 6. And B equal to, B is equal to dou square by dou x dou y at the point 1, 2. This is equal to 0. And what is C here? C is nothing but dou square f by dou y square. This one. Okay. Dou square f by dou y square. That is f y square at the point 1, 2. Put x equal to 1, y equal to 2. No x term here. 6 into 2 is 12. So A equal to 6, B equal to 0, C equal to 12. Now we find AC minus B square. AC minus B square is equal to, what is AC? A is equal to 6, C equal to 12 minus B equal to 0. This is equal to 72. Okay. And this is greater than 0. And what is A here? A is equal to 6. This is greater than 0. So here we have 1, 2 is a critical point. AC minus B square is 72 greater than 0. And A equal to 6 which is greater than 0. Therefore, the function f of x comma y had minimum at the point A 1, 2. So therefore here f of x comma y as minimum at 1, 2. And what is that minimum value? So that is here minimum of f of x comma y is equal to, substitute x equal to 1, y equal to 2 in this equation, the given equation. So here x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. Then we get the value of f of x comma which is minimum. X cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube. 1 cube is 1 plus y cube. Y equal to 2. 8. X cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y. Minus 3x minus 3 into 1 minus 12 into 2. This is 12 into 2 is 24 plus 20. Okay. 1 cube plus 2 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 12 into 2 plus 20. What is this value? This is equal to minus 24 plus 20 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Okay. Minus 7. Minus 7 plus 9. Minus 7 plus 9. 9 minus 1, this is equal to 2. So 2 is the minimum value. Okay, 2 is the minimum value. And next, similarly, we check for the other points also. That is, we go to next point. At the point, go to next page. At the point 1 comma minus 2. At the point 1 comma minus 2. So what is my fx square? Fx square is equal to 6x. So that is, here we have a is nothing but fx square. This is equal to 6 into x. X equal to 1. This is 6. And b is our f of fxy. We have got this value equal to 0. And c is equal to fy square, that is 6y. C is equal to fy square. This is 6 into y. Y equal to minus 2 here. So this is equal to 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. So we have got A, B, C. I'm sorry. At 1 comma minus 2, at 1 comma minus 2, a equal to fx square, this is equal to 6 into x, 6 into 1, this is equal to 6. And b equal to 0. We have got dou square f by dou x dou y equal to 0. And c is equal to 6 into y, that is fy square. This is 6 into y. Here my y equal to minus 2. This is equal to minus 12. Now what is AC minus B square? So if I consider AC minus B square, this is equal to A into C. 6 into C is minus 12 minus 0. This is equal to minus 72. This is less than 0. So if we have AC minus B square is less than 0, then fxy has neither maxima nor minima. So that means 1 minus 2 is a saddle point. Okay, saddle point. This is for the second point. And next I will go to the third one. Go to next page. Third one. What is third one? It is the point minus 1 comma 2. That is at minus 1 comma 2. Again we find A, B, C. A is equal to fx square. This is equal to, we have fx square is 6x, that is 6 into minus 1. This is equal to minus 6. This is A. And B, we have fxy, this is equal to 0. And C is equal to fy square, this is our 6y. This is equal to 6 into, what is y here? Y is equal to 2. Okay, B equal to 2 here. This is equal to 12. Now again we find AC minus B square. This is equal to AC. A is minus 6 into A. C is 12 minus B square minus 0. This is equal to minus 72 less than 0. So therefore here also f of x comma y has neither maximum nor minimum. So that is this point is also saddle point. Minus 1 comma 2 is a saddle point. Okay. Next I will go to fourth point, last point. I will go to next page. Last point. Fourth one. What is the last point? Last point is minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Minus 1, minus 2. So here again, A is nothing but fx square. This is equal to, we have 6 into x. This is equal to 6 into A is minus 1 here. This is equal to minus 6. Fx square at the point minus 1 minus 2 is nothing but our A. This is 6 into minus 1 minus 6. And B is equal to fxy. This is equal to 0. And C is equal to fy square. This is equal to 6 into y. This is equal to 6 into. So B is minus 2 here. Okay. Minus 2. 6 into minus 2. This is equal to minus 12. Now what is this? AC minus B square is equal to A is minus 6 into C is minus 12 minus B is 0. B square is 0. This is equal to minus into minus plus. This is equal to 72 greater than 0. Okay. Greater than 0. And here A equal to minus 6. This is less than 0. So here we have AC minus B square is greater than 0. A is less than 0. Therefore, function has maximum at the point minus 1, minus 2. So, therefore, f of x comma y has maximum at minus 1, minus 2. Okay. And what is the maximum value? Maximum value of f of x comma y is equal to, what is my f of x comma y? Yeah, this is my f of x comma y. X cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. Okay, this is the value. This is our f of x comma y. F of x comma y is x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. So here we put x is equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 2. That is the maximum value of the function, right? So here x cube is minus 1 cube. Okay, minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus y cube y equal to minus 2 minus 2 cube is minus 8, right? Minus 3x minus 3 into x is equal to minus 1 minus 12y minus 12 into y equal to minus 2 plus 20. Okay. This is equal to minus 1 minus 8 minus into minus plus 3 minus into minus plus 24 plus 20. So this is equal to 20 plus 24 is 44, 47 minus 1 minus 1 minus this is 9. This is equal to 47 minus 9. This is equal to 38. Okay, 38. So minimum value is we have got it is 2. Maximum value is 38. So here we have totally 4 critical points. Okay, that is 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma 2, minus 1 comma minus 2. Among these two, 1 comma minus 2 is a saddle point. Minus 1 comma 2 is also a saddle point. These two are saddle points. That is at these 2 points the function f of x comma y neither has a maxima nor a minima. Okay, and in other 2 points, that is 1 comma 2, function has a minimum value and the minimum value of the function is 2. And the other point, that is x is equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 2. At the point minus 1 comma minus 2, function has maximum and the maximum value of the function is 38. Okay, thank you. I will stop here.